Hey guys, what's up? I'm super psyched today to present you a new unboxing video. I'm super excited because it's one of these products that I really like. And here's a hint. And this is what it used to look like. This is what I have right now. It's a DJI Mavic Pro. Okay. Here I present you the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Previously I was using this to shoot facilities outside, and then when this thing came out and I heard about the new 1-inch sensor and the better quality of the still images and in general just the better image quality, and I was forced to buy this one to just provide better services for clients, taking pictures of video clips of exteriors and architectural exteriors basically. That's probably mainly the reason why I had to purchase this one, to get better qualities. Okay, let me go ahead and open this thing. Super excited. This is so amazing. Let's push this way aside. Oh wow, look at this. So we got, this is the new machine. Wow. This looks, let me fold this back to give you a comparison, quick comparison. So the new one is not a lot bigger, but substantially, and it's heavier, more sturdy, and it feels more expensive, more sturdy. This is the new gimbal with the 1-inch Hasselblad sensor on this. This is the main reason why I bought this. I'm so psyched about this. Okay, what we got inside? Oh, the battery's already on it, so I thought it was like... Well, actually the machine isn't too heavy, it's just the battery is just massive. Probably accounts to half the weight. Okay, battery charger, power cord, here's the remote control. What's wrong? Well, it still works. No. What is correct? Okay. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's start. No, it doesn't work. Compared to the old one, wingspan wise, like a lot bigger. And the propellers look like more stylish. The previous one looked kind of plain, like simple, but this one has like a lot of like aerodynamics, aerodynamic design on it. So here we go. This is my new flight object that I'm using for work. My new toy. I'm gonna test this out later when I get a chance to. So yeah, it looks really amazing. I mean, this product. I can't wait to use it and fly for my first for my work, and especially to see what the quality brings. The 1-inch Hasselblad sensor. Voila, there we go. I love the fact that it's just the gimbal guard. It's just one piece, not like two piece. I had a hard time to just. How does that work? Hold on. Oh my god, I actually don't even know. I need to. I think it's something like this. Yeah. Take off all your stickers. Yeah, it's definitely better than the first version. It's like you have like two pieces, now it's just one, so looks a lot better too. Okay guys, I'm gonna have fun. I'm off, so I'll see you next time.